Welcome back to Flourish Field, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the continuation of our guessing game. This is the part 3 of our guessing game, and this is the final stage. Don't worry, I'm not extending anything. If you want to improve on this guessing game, you could actually tweak it, to suit your taste. But this is where I'm going to be ending the guessing game. So in the last video I stopped at when I ran the video, when I ran the code, when I ran the game, it just stopped when I miss the question. Let's do it again. Now let's run it again and see. It just stopped. It's supposed to tell me something. It's supposed to encourage me, or something nice. All right, let's see. Let's see how this game goes, okay? And then I'm going to show you how we're going to improve on it, and then you could actually tweak it to suit your taste. All right, now you have 5 trials. I feel that 5 trials is too short. It's supposed to be 7 trials. That's another thing you can actually improve on. Right, so I'm thinking of a number. What could that be? Okay, let me start with 40. And then it says lesser, so it's obviously between 40 and 100. So I go again, 80 is greater, so it's between 40 and 80. I go 50 is lesser, so it's between 50 and 80. I go 76 is greater, so it's between 50 and 76. I want to miss this, so let me say 32. And then it says it's greater, and then it stops. Come on now, how could that be? It's supposed to tell me something. It's supposed to, tell me at least the answer you were thinking. All right. So how do we improve on that? All right. All you need to do is just come right here and then add all of this under all the code. After you finish running the repeat function right here, so you come under the code and say, okay, sorry, you didn't get the answer, the number. You can try again by pressing the flag, the green flag, and then the number I was thinking was what, and then it's going to tell us the random number, okay, and then that's it. That would actually give us a kind of feeling that at least we tried. All right, let's increase this game to I want to try to be 7. I think 5 is a bit not fair. It's not fair enough, so I'm starting with game is 7 trials. In fact, I could actually allow the user see the number of trial they have, so that you can, have a kind of feeling that, okay, I have more trials. Okay, all right, now let's run it from the top and see. So when I run it from the top, when I start the game, it's going to start from 7. Don't worry. Space bar 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then it's supposed to tell me okay, 7 now. You see, the trial is 7. All right, and it's telling us, welcome to our guessing game. You'll pick the number between 1 and 100. Okay, I'm ready. Oops, we didn't change that. Okay, that's just a typo error, that's all. So, but it's 7 logically, it's 7. All right, I'm going to start with 60. This time around, I want to get this is higher, so I'm going to go 30. This is still greater. It's between 1 and 30, right? So I want to split it. 20. It's still greater, so it's between 1 and 19. It's between 1 and 19, so I'll go 14. It's lesser, so it's between 14 and 19. Obviously, I'm going to get this one. It's between 14 and 19. It's between 15, 16, 17, and 18. So let me pick 17. Good, but it's greater. 17, 14. So it's between 15 and 16. Oops, let me pick 15. It's lesser. So it's 16. You see that? So let me pick 16. It should give me. And the sound is you win. I hope you could hear the sound. If you can't hear, you can just try it, okay? So now it's telling me that I win in one trial left. That I win. I won this game. You see, I didn't know about it. And then it tells me, all right, let's check. Let's change that one to 7 so that we don't have right, it's just right there. 7 trials. We have 7 trials. Always do that. And then this time around, I want us to, I want us to miss the number. I want us to miss the number. I want the sprite to tell us the number he's actually thinking about. So spacebar starts 1 and then 0 and then it's says, okay, hello, welcome to my guessing game. And said you would pick a number between 1 and 100. You said no. And then you have 7 trials. Right? Yes, I know. All right, let's start. This time I want to miss it, so it's lesser. All right. I want to be sure that I miss this, so that I just want to be sure I miss this, so that you can see what the sprite will tell us at the. Okay, good. It's lesser. It's still good. It's lesser. All right. So good try. Sorry, you didn't get the number. You see, this is how it feels. You can try again by clicking on the flag, green flag. That's it right there. The number I was thinking was, and then it's supposed to tell us the number 80. See that? So this is how the game works, and I hope you enjoy this game. Please do subscribe, like, and comment if you have any questions you want to have, or you want to comment about all of this. All right, so I will say that okay, this is going to be the end of our guessing game. So in the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to create another wonderful game. I'm not going to tell you right now, but wait for the next video. Okay, all right, so stay blessed, keep flourishing.